what's up you guys? Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Emily and today I am doing an updated houseplant tour. Okay, if you guys haven't seen my first houseplant tour, I'll have it linked up here, but it was one of my very first videos and it was when I was living in San Jose and it was probably like a little over a year ago. But anyways, since moving into my own place, I'm pretty happy with the space, and of course with having a new place, I got rid of a few plants, but I also got a lot more plants. So I'm going to go through the entire apartment and share with you guys all of my plants plus the plant decor. But yeah, before we get started, I did get a package by a brand called Ansel Ivy, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys a little unboxing of it. They came packaged so perfectly and they already come in their pot. So I'm really excited to share with you guys because these plants are so cute. I've been wanting them for the longest time and I love how convenient the whole process was. So let's get to it. First, I want to thank Ansel Ivy for sponsoring today's video. Ansel Ivy is an online-only direct-to-consumer brand for potted houseplants. I love the selection that they have online. It really made buying, styling, and caring for my houseplants so much easier. You simply choose the plant that you want, choose the pot that you want, and it comes packaged so perfectly. They're based in San Francisco and are female-founded, which is awesome. I love to support small brands, but most importantly, a female-founded brand. Ansel Ivy ships happy, healthy plants from Northern California right to your door. They really make everything super convenient from the time that you order to the time that it's delivered because the unboxing is super easy and mess-free. What's also great is that they come with detailed care guides for every plant that they have available. So in case you need some extra care tips for your new plant, they offer a plant care center right on their website, which is awesome. All right, now I'm gonna give you guys a little closer look at my new plants. So the first one is the Rojo Congo philodendron, and I've been wanting this plant for so long and I was so excited when I saw it on their website. She is super simple but classy. I love how like sleek it is. It's just such a beautiful plant, and I chose the white pot for this one just because it goes more with my decor. I'm pretty sure I'm going to style her in my office once that's all situated, just because it has like a sophisticated look to it. At least that's what I see. But yeah, I feel like this one would be great in the office. And for the other plant, oh, and I forgot to share with you guys the watering can that they also sent over. Look at how cute. This is my second watering can, but this one is just very stylish. I love it. So we have a yellow rubber tree. I do have a rubber tree already, but I don't have the yellow one. So I was super excited when I also saw this one on their website. Again, look at how healthy and happy this plant looks. It's already growing new leaves. That's how you know it's a healthy plant. It arrived with new growth already, so really excited to see this one grow. These can grow like crazy. I'm not sure where I'm going to style this one yet, but for now they're just going to stay in my breakfast nook a little bit so they can get used to the new space and everything, and then later I'll move them to wherever they gotta go. And then for this one, I got the large white with black pot color. Again, super classy, simple, and chic. I'm so excited about my new plants, and if you guys wanna check out Ansel Ivy, then I'll have everything down in the description. And thank you again, Ansel Ivy, for sponsoring today's video. All right, you guys saw my new plants. Now let's get on to the houseplant tour. All right, so we are going to start right here at the front door. So right when you walk in, this is the little entryway. And first we have my cactus. So this one is a type of euphorbia cactus, as well as this one. It's actually the same type of cactus. And I found these on OfferUp because a neighbor was getting rid of some trimmings because they had a huge cactus tree. So always check OfferUp or Facebook Marketplace. But anyways, I just have this cacti potted in a terracotta pot that I got from either Home Depot or Lowe's. And then we have my taller cacti. I love this one. I always get so many compliments. And the pot that I have it in is this white one by OMYSA. What I love about this pot is that it looks nice and like heavy and like expensive, but it's not. Like inside it looks like it's all ceramic, but it's not. It's like a really lightweight material. And of course the white color makes it look super nice and classy. And now when we make our way to this side of the apartment, we have my money tree, which of course is right at the entrance because they say that money trees should be at an entrance because it brings you good luck. I don't know the specifics as to why it should be in the front, but I know money trees give you good luck. But this one's doing so well. I have it in this like stone pot, but I wanted it of course to be elevated, so I'm using, can't remember what kind of pot this one is, but it is from a shop online. We have another cute little cactus. I think this one, honestly, I got it from my mom. And then the pots I got from OfferUp. So another neighbor was selling the pair of these. And right here I have my peperomia. I can't remember where I got this one. I think it was just like Lowe's or something, or maybe a plant shop, a local plant shop. Then this pot that I just will never get rid of because I just love the little stand and everything. This is from Home Goods from a long time ago. And over here we just have another cactus, and this cactus my mom also, I believe, gave to me. And then this one is one of my newest plants. It is an Alocasia Regal Shield and I love it so much. And then the pot I got from a local shop here in the neighborhood. And then down here I have a snake plant. This is just a little string lights thing that I have going on, so just in case you're wondering. But yeah, I have a snake plant, super easy plant to take care of. I think that they look so good anywhere, and it's great that you can have them where you don't get that much lighting. That's why it's perfectly fine here tucked in the corner. And again, I have these terracotta pots that I got from either Lowe's or Home Depot. Then here we have my Scindapsus that I love because it's been trailing so well. I can't wait for it to keep growing. And this one I actually got while I was living up north. I believe I got it from a plant shop in San Francisco. And then right here in the shelf, I just have some succulents. They look fake now that I think about it, but they're real. And that one's just in an IKEA pot. And then this pot I got from my Bloomist, I believe. And this is where I have my propagated string of hearts. And as you can see, it's doing super well. And then right here, I have another cute little succulent. And then if we make our way to the coffee table, I just have another type of succulent right here. And then I have my Hoya that I love. And she's even growing another leaf right here. I don't know if you can see. And then if we make our way over here, we have my smaller Monstera Deliciosa. This one is my baby Monstera, but honestly, she is getting so big. Eventually, I'm not gonna be able to keep her right here, but for now, it looks good. I just have to like adjust her leaves sometimes. I think I'm going to get like a stake or something just to like help it as it wants to trail up or something. And then right here, I just have another little snake plant. And then that basket is actually from Goodwill. And then this plant pot and stand comes together and it's from Etsy. And now we can make our way into the kitchen. Here we have a bird of paradise. And this one too is growing so fast. This is a new leaf and this one is too. And now it's growing this one. So really excited about that. I think this is a perfect spot for it. Ideally, I wanted this in the living room to have it by the window or something. But since it's still small, it's perfect right here. And it gets such good lighting from this window. Like this whole side of the apartment gets such good lighting. So keeping this one here until it gets way too big. And then again, this terracotta pot is from Lowe's, but you can also get it from Home Depot. Then if you make your way up here, we have some trailing pothos all around. It's just two plants, but the vines are so long that I run it through the middle and they're doing really well up here. At the kitchen counter, we just have a bunch of different little cacti like those, this one, some succulents, some more cacti. And all of these, obviously, if you see those are from Lowe's or Home Depot. This one I got from a plant nursery in Palm Springs. And then this one, my mom gave it to me. This was from a shop here in my neighborhood. This was a gift. This was from the same shop. And this one, my little sister actually gifted it to me. She got it from a shop in San Francisco while she was living there. But yeah, I love this one, really cute. And this one, I remember learning that this isn't even a cactus. This is actually a Hoya type. So that's interesting. And then right here I have a Pilea and I have an aloe plant. And then right here, I just have another aloe plant. And then this is a different type of snake plant. I can't remember the exact name. I will have it written down for sure. And then I have another snake plant here. These are both from local plant shops. And then directly up above, I have a satin pothos. Okay, so now we can make our way through the breakfast nook. So we can start right here. This is my rubber tree. Now I have the yellow one. So I love this one. It already has a lot of new growth. It gets such good lighting, like I said, from this window. So this one is going to get pretty big as well. And then right here at the dining table, I just have another cute little pot with a succulent in it. And I can't remember where I got this pot. It honestly could have been a gift. And then right here we have my black lipstick plant that I love. And the stand is from World Market. And then right above we have a philodendron with my Ceremonia and Clasicacita plant hanger. And the pot, I believe, is from Urban Outfitters, but I found it at Goodwill. And then this little ceramic sun vase, or I don't even know what you would call this. This I also got from Goodwill, and I just filled it with a bunch of different succulents. And then right here I have my string of pearls. I believe I got from a local plant shop. And then right here, the showstopper is my large Monstera Deliciosa. This one I think I got from Home Depot when I was living in San Jose. It was really, really sad when I had moved, but it has gotten so much new growth since then. And most recently, this leaf is new, and then that one, and this one. And now you can see that there's another leaf growing here. But yeah, this one has been growing like crazy. And of course, we have the terracotta pots. And right here, of course, you guys saw my Ansel and Ivy plants. I'm just going to have them here for a little bit just to monitor them and check on them. And then eventually, once they're a little bit more settled, I will go ahead and figure out where I'm going to style them. And then right here on this side, we just have a Hoya. And this one is getting pretty big. As you can see, it already hit the top of this little shelf. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys the plants in the office, and I'm purposely just showing you this wall because behind me is such a mess. So I'm just going to show you the cute area where the plants are. So up here we have a fern that I was gifted, and then we have my string of hearts that just goes down the shelf. And this one is actually trimmed a lot because, like you guys saw, I was propagating, so that required me to snip off a lot of it, but this one just keeps growing. And when you guys see those little yellow things, those are gnat traps. So yeah, if you're a plant parent, then you know. And then right here on the second shelf, I have my umbrella plant. And then on my desk, I have my Rhaphidophora tetrasperma. Then when you make your way over here, we have my, I believe it's pronounced Sinanthe, and I'll have it written down, of course. And then right here we have my jade pothos just propagating. And then right here we have my orbifolia. As you can see, it has some little bit of brown spots, but she's getting better because I'm giving her just filtered water. And then up here we have another rubber tree. And this one I'll grab to show you better. This is my green Maranta, and as you can tell, she's doing so well because look at these pretty blooms. This one I was gifted, and she's just so cute. I really want to have her somewhere different where she gets like the spotlight, but as of right now, she's just chilling in the office. And then the last plant in the office is my Monstera adansani or adansani. I can't remember the exact way to pronounce it. And I believe the plant stand is either from World Market or Target. And now if we make our way through here, we get to the restroom. We can start off with the shower plant, which is just a pothos, a golden pothos, and then turn around. We have another pothos here. Don't mind the yellow leaf. It happens. You can just snip it off and all is good. And then right here, I just have a cute little baby succulent that my friend gave me in this cute little pot. And that is it for the plants in the restroom. But if we make our way this way, then we get to the bedroom. And I don't have too many plants in the bedroom, but I do have this huge fiddle leaf fig, and I've said this story once and I'll say it again, but I nearly killed this fiddle leaf fig because it was one of my very first plants, and I just learned how to take care of it used my moisture meter and I brought it back to life. So he's looking good. And the basket that he's in is from World Market. We have my cute little shelf where I keep my little cacti, and all of these pots are from, so I think these are from like a local plant nursery, as were like these cacti, but this cactus was actually a trimming from my friend in San Francisco. This pot is from a nursery here in San Diego, and so is that pot, but I think it was also available at Urban Outfitters. Then on this side of the wall, we have my other Maranta. This was my very first Maranta. So funny story, not that funny though. I almost killed this one. As you can see, she has a lot of new growth, which is great. But this plant used to be so long. I had to get rid of so many leaves. It's honestly really sad. Like, I was really upset about it. But the problem is that I just was neglecting it so hard. Like, it needed to be repotted. I was just letting time pass and I wasn't repotting it, and I had to pay for it. So that sucks. But she's doing better, and it's only gonna get better from here on out. So yeah, really sad story about my Maranta. This one I got from a plant nursery here in San Diego. And this one I believe is pronounced Synonium albovariegata. I'll have it written down for you guys. But yeah, I love this plant. I swear it's one of my favorites because not only is the leaf pattern really nice, but the shape of this is just so unique. I love it. And then this really tall leaf is actually new growth. So I need to figure out what I'm gonna do. I need to get like a larger stick so I can start trailing up or something. And I think that's all of my plants, you guys. Yep, those are all of my plants, you guys. Really hope that you enjoyed just following along with me, checking out my plants and my plant decor. If you have any questions, please let me know. I know this video was focused more on just a tour of my plants, but if you guys want me to do more plant related videos like plant care or things like that, then let me know, because I know some of you guys are here mostly for plants and some of you are here mostly for like the decor. So definitely let me know and I can work on some of that stuff for you guys. That's gonna be it for today's video. And again, if you guys are interested in any of the details about the plants and plant decor, I will have everything linked down below. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, because I post twice a week, every single week, unless something happens and I just can't do it. But yeah, don't forget to follow along, you guys. And if you want to follow along more, then you could also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. So I share different content on there, of course. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you next video.